So we're going to, the objective here is two-step equations. It is a 7th grade concept, but we know that this shows up frequently on GED math. So how do we take the fright out of this problem? Well, first, you must get D by itself, the letter, because I want to keep it simple. You want to get this letter all by itself. So we need to balance this equation. So if you're having a problem with balancing equations, and I've already just stated, thanks to one of our students that's here in the class, these show up frequently on the test. Then you need to YouTube a lesson. Khan Academy is the best. Again, Khan Academy is the best video to watch for balancing equations. Practice this. So here we go. We've rewritten the problem because we need to solve for D. What did I say? Get the D by itself. We have 41 equals 12D minus 7. So we've rewritten the problem so that we can work it out. So here we go. And if I make a little mistake along the way, we'll both learn from that mistake. So here we are. We can balance this equation quickly by adding 7 to both sides. Remember, balancing equations? We want to make sure that the same thing we do here on the right, we do to the left. Now, typically, we're seeing this makeup or this setup of the problem on the left-hand side. But this setup of the problem is showing up on the left. Don't let it scare you. Don't let it throw you off. We just need to do the same process. So the 7s cancel each other out. That's simple. Did we get D by itself? Yes, we did. We got D by itself. So we have 12D equals, what is 41 plus 7? So now this is just simple addition. 41 plus 7 is what? 48. So what are we going to do next? Anybody? What are we going to do next?
Balance it again.
We're going to do what over?
Balance it again.
We're going to balance the equation again. Remember, if you are having a problem with balancing equations, you need to YouTube the lesson on balancing equations. Khan Academy is the best. They have the best videos out there. And if you're having a problem with two-step equations, this is the process. This is the objective you will need to YouTube for yourself so that you can practice, and pass that part of the GED math test. So we're going to divide 12 on both sides. Again, we're going to divide 12 on both sides because we need to solve for D. The 12s cancel. What is 12 into 48? Get your calculators out and divide 12 into 48. And someone tell me what that is. 12 into 48. 4. Okay, so let's check this out. 12 times 4. 4 times 2 is
8.
4 times 1 is, so that checked out. So now we have 4 equals what?
D.
That is the solution. We've solved for D. Again, we had to divide 12 on both sides to solve for D, get the D by itself. 12 divided into 48 goes 4 times. As I close this mini lesson on solving two-step equations, if you are weak at your multiplication tables, then you're going to need to study your multiplication tables, because if you don't, then you're missing that foundational piece. And this will help you, meaning knowing your multiplication tables readily will help you with this process. And that's the end of solving two-step equations.